In a peaceful village, a young man lived a simple life. He had no idea his destiny was about to change. One day, soldiers arrived. The empire was calling and war was coming. He trained day and night. Every challenge made him stronger. His first battle was filled with fear, but courage pushed him forward. When the war was over, he was no longer the same man. A true warrior had been born.
Would you like to create viral AI videos like this? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create this kind of viral AI video. First, we'll create a prompt that we'll use to generate an image. Second, go to ChatGPT and paste scene 1. Then click the plus sign and select Create Image. Then click this arrow button and do the same process for scene 1 to scene 5. That way, you'll already have 5 images to use for generating an image to video. Third, here I will teach you how we can get a video using the generated image we got. Okay, here, we have 3 apps or websites to use to generate image to video. But remember, all of these are not sponsored. This is just based on what I searched and I want to share with you. The first apps I'm going to teach you are from Canva. Click on this upload files, then select the scenes that we generated as images. After you upload the image here on Canva, the first thing we will drag to the timeline is scene 1. Then, here at the top, click on Edit, and here in Tools, select Image to Video. Here you can generate a video in 5 seconds, and it is free but has a limit. But don't worry, later I will have other tips for this. So let's try clicking this button to generate a 5-second video. Wow, nice! Awesome! In just 5 seconds, you already have a generated video. Okay, next, let's add media again or upload an image for scene 2. Just click on Edit again at the top. Then here in Tools again, click on Image to Video. Then click this Generate 5-second video again. In this part, it's normal for the generation to be slow because each movement of the characters is given more clarity, so the result is clearer and better. Wow, these tools in Canva are really impressive. But in this part, one have reached a limit in using it. But don't worry, because there are other tools or websites to generate image to video. The second website that can generate videos is Pixverse. So first, we just need to log in here. Once you are logged in, click on this video below and then upload image. Click this image, then click Confirm. Below you will find many selections to choose from, such as duration and resolution. So here, let's just copy and paste the prompt we got from the ChatGPT to generate an image to video. Then after that, click this Create button. Wait for the result, and I know you'll like it. Wow, it's really amazing, and the beauty of it is that it has a good sound. After that, click Download. Okay, next, let's try generating another image for the video. Let's just copy this prompt, then paste it here. Then click this Create button. Okay, let's check again this generated video. Nice! In just a few clicks, you have an AI-generated video. And if your credit on this website has run out, I have another website to share with you so you can complete Scene 1 to Scene 5. The last website I will teach you is the King AI image and video generator. First, just add the image that we want to generate as a video. And click on Generate. Then let's check if the video is generated well. Wow! If you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.